Hi guys, this is my first glam bag and it came in today. This is what it looks like and it's really cool. It's $10 a month. It's a subscription that you sign up for, and what they do is they send you a little glam bag like every month with just like a few products in it for you to try out, see if you like. I don't know, but I signed up for it and I'm gonna see what I got for this month. And so I'm gonna do the Ipsy glam bag reveal for November. And I guess every month they do like a theme or something like that. And this month is Girl Meets Glitter. And that's what it looks like. And then I guess in the back, there's always a phrase, and it says, "The secret to making the ordinary extraordinary. Add some glitter and shimmer and shine to your everyday look." And then there's like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and it says, "Snap a pic of your sparkly November glam bag and tag Ipsy at Ipsy, and then hashtag Ipsy and hashtag Girl Meets Glitter for a chance to win a 1-year subscription to more shiny, pretty glam bag goodies." So I guess I'll do that later though, because I don't really want to do it now. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to, I guess every month they give you a free little bag, and this month's is really cute. It's like a silver glitter bag with a pink zipper. And let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so the first thing I see is Be Delectable from Cake Beauty Strawberry and Cream Ultra Nourishing Hand Cream with shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera. It's a 60mm tube. This is what it looks like. And it's just a hand cream, so let's see how this works. Let's just... there's a little silver thing underneath the cap that you have to take off. So now that we're back on track, let's test this out and just get a little bit. I don't know that I like the smell already. It smells, I mean, it's like I dipped my hands in strawberry and cream yogurt, and I'm just not a fan of that, so I don't like the smell, and I feel like I'm never gonna get rid of this lotion, like this hand cream, whatever it is. I just feel like it's never gonna come off. Like, I've only got a little bit and it's still coming. Like, I'm gonna have to wipe some of it off. Okay, so yeah, I'm not a fan of this already. So, I mean, if you're a hand cream person and you like stuff like that, I mean, I guess this would be for you. The retail price for this, let's see. I'm just guessing and assuming that everything that's in this bag is a travel size. I'm not sure. But the price for this is, let's see, $5.50 for this little hand cream. And I will put links below, if I can, to show you where you can buy it if you want to buy it. And I am in no way, shape, or form getting paid to advertise for this. I'm just doing it because I want to. So, and I thought it'd be fun. So, Next thing I'm getting is Hollywood, California Glam Glow Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment. This is a 15 gram or 0.5 ounces tube. The directions on the back say, apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes. Allow to dry. Remove with water to transform into a deep cleansing oil treatment. Use once or twice a week or when needed. Okay, so apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Let's see. Well, I'll just apply it to, oh, and there's a little piece of foil on this too. God, everything has to be so difficult. It smells really good. It just smells very natural. It smells better than the first thing, that's for sure. So I'm just going to apply it on a clean area. It says apply an even layer on clean dry skin. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then clean off. Well, I guess we'll let that sit for about 5 minutes. Let's see, it's 8:14, so let me close this. At about 8:20, we'll just get back to this. And the retail price for the Glam Glow Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment tube, this is $6.50. So yeah, and like I said, I will try to put links below on where you can buy this stuff if you're interested, but I can't promise you anything. And my next one is, ooh, this looks cool. Be a Bombshell Submissive Eye Base. Let's see. God, I have to tear the box because it's so hard to open. Jesus Christ. Okay. I got it. Oh my gosh. This looks so pretty. This is Submissive Eye Base, distributed by Be a Bombshell Cosmetics. It's kind of like a gold shimmery color. I don't know, but I really like it. So it's an eye base. I don't really know if this is like a... It doesn't say anywhere on the box like what exactly it's for, where you put it. I don't know. I'm just gonna assume it's like an eyeshadow, a cream shadow. And I'll just take a little bit on my finger. Oh yeah, that's pretty deep. And a little more. That is really pretty. Really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see it. The lighting in here sucks, sorry. But Maybe there you can see it a little better. Pretty rich. Oh, look, there you can see it a little better. It's like really pretty. It's just like gold shimmery eyeshadow. I don't know, but I love it. Might just wear it tomorrow. I'm a cosmetologist, so I'll try anything once. And the retail price for this this thing is 2.5 grams, 0.09 ounces for this little thing. And the retail price for this is $14. Oh my god. So yeah, you're getting a pretty good deal when you subscribe to the Ipsy Glam Bag, because I mean, you get all this stuff, and I mean, just the 3 things that I've opened so far, the retail price for all 3 of them put together is already more than the bag itself. So you're getting a pretty damn good deal. Alright, well, the next thing is, let's see, Wonder Lip Paint. And it comes in a little bag. Let's take it out. And it's in Mad Splatter. I'm guessing it's just the kind of like a lip stain. Oh look, this one doesn't have foil covering it underneath its cap. Whoever made this was smart. Oh crap. That was really juicy. So you have to be careful, because just like barely squeezing it, it'll come out pretty fast. So let's see what this looks like. I don't know about this. It's kind of just runny. It never seems to kind of like create a paste or stay still. I don't know about this one. So that's what it looks like. See, it was really dark at first, and it just like lightens because it's so liquidy. You just keep messing with it to try to keep it from running. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that I'm a fan of this one, because I'm not too sure that I am. But the retail price for this is $4.99 for this Wonder Lip Paint in Mad Splatter. Let's see, I'm going to get the last one now. The last thing in the bag. I hate coming to an end. This is a Starlux gem pencil in Ultra Orchid. 20 minutes later, when I take the down wrapping off, such a pain in my ass. I love the smell of eye pencils. I don't know why. Ooh. So this is the Ultra Orchid Starlux Gem Pencil, 2.4 grams. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Lighting sucks. It's a gem pencil. Okay, that's enough. This is, oh my god, that's pretty intense. Yeah, it's a little much. And I'm not a fan of purple. This is pretty purple. I mean, I guess it's pretty, but I don't know. The retail price for this, you know what, this pencil is really creamy. Just so you know, I'm not too sure if you like creamy liners or whatever. But the retail price for this is $16. 16 for this pencil. So, yeah. If you're interested and you like the way that looks, then you might want it. It's like really glittery, but then everything in this, you know, glam bag pretty much is glittery because the theme is glitter. Yeah. Well, that's it for the glam bag. Until next time. So, overall, I'd have to say that my favorites are probably, oh, you know what? It's 8:24, and we never got back to the Glam Glow Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment. Let's wash it off now. You know what? It does feel pretty good. I actually do like that. It just kind of feels really soft, like a baby's butt. I'm gonna have to say that I'm gonna give that 5 stars. So overall, my favorites were the Glam Glow Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment, and then my favorite was the Be a Bombshell Submissive Eye Base, which was this. This is what it looks like. And then it's right here, the middle color. It's like a gold shimmery color. That was my favorite thing in this Ipsy Glam bag. I guess the lip stain is okay. I'm not sure that I'd use it. I mean, this eye pencil also is really pretty, but I'm not sure that I use it. I mean, I don't use liners. And this was just a no. The Be Delectable from Cake Beauty Strawberry and Cream Ultra Nourishing Hand Cream. This is a no to me, only because it's just kind of like, I'm like pouring like strawberry and cream yogurt on me, or I don't even know. It's just gross. And I'm not too fond of this. So, that's it. See you next time. Bye.